What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. I am thrilled to show you what I'm cooking today, because it is the first time that I'm cooking Denver steaks, first of all, but more specifically, Wagyu Denver steaks from our good friends at New England Wagyu. Look at this piece of meat. Look at the marbling. Look how pretty this is. I mean, just absolutely awesome. I am so pumped, not only to be able to cook these, right, but to be able to work with them, because they are just a super fantastic family that I really appreciate all the back and forth we've had, all the feedback we've had, and just how awesome they have been to work with so far. So super pumped to cook these. We're gonna hit it with some of that Guys AP rub from Lane's Barbecue and Bama Grill Master. We're gonna hook these up right now. We got the big green egg starting to smoke, starting to cook. We're gonna reverse sear it, and we're gonna eat like kings. Peace. All right, so we hit that first one with that Guys. Now we're gonna hit the second one. Let's go. One hit all sides of it. Give it a little pat down. Give it a little more loving. We're gonna sprinkle the sides, meaning on the side of the steak, because then we're gonna roll the steak. Oh yeah, look at that. This is gonna be absolutely epic. Let's go. Now we just need the egg to get up the temperature. We're getting there. All right, we have them seasoned. Let's stick our little probe in there. Hard to do with one hand, but get that in there, and we're gonna smoke them. Probes are in, temperature's up. And we're off. All right, we hit 125 internal. Now we took the place setter out. We're getting the grate and the fire super hot. We're gonna toss it right on. Hoo hoo hoo, baby. We're gonna sear all sides of these bad boys. Ooh, it's hot. All right, we let it rest. Slicing into it, look at that. That, my friends, is a beautiful, beautiful steak. Ooh, it's so juicy, so moist, and if you can see, the fat has rendered perfectly throughout it. I mean, 10 out of 10, amazing.